Hi and welcome to another one of my reviews. Today I want to talk to you about our own coil that we're making for the Justfog Minifit. It's the Naturevape 1.8 ohm micro coil with non-resistance, resistance, non-resistance legs. So I don't think there's too much to say initially. I think most of this will be down on the table to explain how to re-wick it, and how to dry burn it as well. But let's just have a vape with the standard Minifit with their coil and the other one with my coil fitted. So I've just done this video off the back of reviewing the Minifit, so it's going to be, parts of this are going to be similar. The red one is the standard coil. Not bad at all, has to be said. And this is my coil. Definitely more flavour and more punchy. Okay, so I think the best thing we can do is go down on the table. I'll break down my coil, show you how to re-wick it and dry burn it and build it back up again. So I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, let's have a look at this. You obviously do get a sheet of Japanese organic cotton as well. That's just a cover. So it's quite straightforward to dismantle this. I did touch on it on the last video with the standard coil, but let's go run through it again. Screwdriver, there are two slots, basically there's actually four, but there's only two you need to worry about. Screwdriver just underneath there, and then that top piece comes out. Okay, then you want, what have I done with it? Here it is. This is a 1.3mm Allen key, but anything like this up to, I think it's up to about 2mm will do. So, and you just want to push to the side of this here. You don't want to push in the middle because there's a little rubber, there you go, and that whole unit comes out. If you push in the middle, there's a little rubber here, so you're actually aiming at pushing here. Alright, I hope that makes sense. This is the most important part. Hold that with your forefingers and thumb here to pull that chimney off. If you don't, you'll pull the pins because this silicone bit here is independent. Okay, so make sure forefinger and thumb pull. All right, so I'll just take this wick out of here that I put in. Okay, so let's just remove that. So I'll just blow any cotton away. I don't think there was a lot. And I'll show you, so you can imagine that was your coil. I don't know if you can see the coil properly. Let's see if I can hold it up for you to have a good look at. Okay, I don't know how much of that you can see. I wonder if I hold it in my hand, will that be any better? Okay, not sure. But it's basically a micro coil with our lead-in wires non-resistance. Okay, so to dry burn it, just take your pod, it will already be off. Your contacts are there and there, so just lay that on top, and I usually just use a pair of these. Oh, come on. There you go. And you can see that the microcoil is burning from the inside out. All right. So to put this back together again, let's get a little bit of organic cotton wool. Move that to one side. So you cut a strip off your sheet about that wide, that's a bad description, isn't it? About 5 mil in diameter. Just take that top piece off, both sides. If anyone's used my Pro coils, you'll take to this like a duck to water, so it should be absolutely fine for you. Okay, just give it a little roll, not too tight. The only bit you want tight is one end. Okay, so we'll just put that end through there, pull it through till you get to the nice fluffy bit. A bit tighter, there, that looks good, about there. And there's a little flange on the edge of the chimney there, just chop and chop. That's basically it, that's all you have to do. Just give that a little fluff about there, probably didn't quite cut that cleanly. Should we be fussy? I don't think it'll make a lot of difference, to be honest. There we are, and that's all you have to do. You can, at this stage, just prime it on the coil, because you're actually re-wicking it, but it's not 100% necessary. On the chimney section that you're going to replace, one has got a little cutout on one side, and you'll see that the cutout is, I can't remember, oh, it's this side, look. The cutout is on this side here, it's just here. Alright, so put your cutout on there, just push the chimney back on there like that, simple as that. Get your coil, it can only fit one way. Okay, I'm just wondering if I'm going out of camera shot or not. Oh, by the way, these are the 3 airflow holes. On this part here, there's only 2 that are actual holes. The third one is a dummy. And I'm just wondering, I haven't actually tried this yet, but I'm just wondering, you could probably drill that out. If you like a slightly looser draw, you could probably just drill that out and have all 3 air holes working on here. So just a thought. Okay, so just pop that back in there. Push that up till your air holes are lined up. That O-ring at the top has now made a seal. And get your top piece and just push it in with your thumb. Fill it up and you're ready to go. And that is basically all there is to it. There is nothing more to it. That one now is ready to vape. Alright, so I'll see you back up the top in a second and we'll have a little chat and then and tell you my thoughts. Okay, see you soon. Hi, welcome back. Hopefully I explained how to re-wick our own coil and dry burn it and carry on, you know, for the Minifit. Why did I do it? Well, I actually really like this, and I think the design inside that enables us to put our coil in is superb, and you know it really does lend itself to our coil. I think if anyone's used our coil and hopefully likes them, then you'll probably know more why I did it. I did in the old day, I got mocked when I first started doing it, but those people soon shut up when they realised how popular they were. The taste and flavour is a load better, absolute load better, it really is. Let's have another vape for you. How something of this size can put that out, I don't know. I've had no leaks, no issues at all. I suppose my criticism, we had to make it a 1.8 ohm coil, not ours. We sell more of the 1.4 ohm, but the 1.8 ohm we had to, because obviously it's only a 300 and what was that, a 350 mAh? No, 370 mAh battery, which wouldn't last that long otherwise. But especially for this time of year in the summer, you put that little thing in your short pocket and pop around, which is what I've been doing, taking the dog for a walk, nipping to the shops, and you know, that's what I've been using. And in fact, I've been using it about the house as well, and you know, I've absolutely loved it. Going back to mouth to lung, I think there's a lot of people who are, but anyway, I'm rabbiting now. So hopefully I explained how to do that. I'm going to say a quick thank you to Danny Pearman for bringing this to my attention, with Martin Parker actually, that they sort of made me aware that this may take my coil, so thanks to them. And if you try one, please come back and give me reviews of it. You know, tell me good, bad or indifferent. I know what I think. I have sent it to a few people, and hopefully they're going to come back with their reviews too. So until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.